this is not something you see every day, and people that don't drive trucks have never seen this area, so unless you work here. This is like a Driving with John exclusive. Hey everybody, today's video is really exciting. It's kind of like a Driving with John exclusive. So I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you watch it all the way to the end because I explored all over. I drove through this cave and it's just amazing. I can't believe that they have a warehouse system with like 35 buildings. 35 full warehouses in a cave. Yeah, it's insane. Just watch this video. There's different bits and pieces as you go out through that's really interesting. Enjoy. I don't know what else to say. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen in trucking. I'm in awe. And I'm a little bit afraid because I'm still in there right now and I'm worried about an earthquake. So I know that sounds silly, but when you're 10 feet below ground and 20 feet below that, so 30 feet below ground, and there's an earthquake, you got to think about these things. You know what I mean? It's a little bit scary, but it's awesome. So I just thought you guys would find this interesting. Not any commentary other than me talking while I'm taking the video. There's a video of me driving in, a video of me walking around, and a video of me driving out. Make sure you watch the whole thing. It is quite a long video. It's probably my longest ever video, but it's quite interesting. At least I found it interesting, and it's not something you get to see every day. So enjoy it, and I'll see you at the end. Driving with John is coming through! This is friggin' insane. It's all underground. Their entire operation. How many billions of dollars they spend to build this thing? You're seeing this on the video because this is absolutely crazy. look what this place is like. It's crazy. Underground. Cement ground floors, so it's not like it's muddy or anything. And they just put the bay doors like that. Took them between two pillars. It's the coolest thing. Whole time I'm underground, so I get no signal, I get no TV, I get no nothing. So my only choice is to walk around and take a video, or sit in my truck and just stare at the window. So I thought y'all would enjoy a video. Give you a little idea of how tall this is. Insane. There's a door. Doors are normally what, 6.5 feet tall. That's the ceiling up there. This place is massive. This place is so massive. The chin of something with a leg going down there and a leg going down there. The ground's wet here, so I'm not sure how much farther I'm going to be walking down. I'll go this way. I ran out of room, so I'm going to continue the video inside. Yeah, this place is insanely huge. Oh yeah? Go down this way?
Yeah, right around that last corner.
Oh yeah? That's the first time I've ever been here. This is insane. You been here before? Alright. Oh yeah, Pepsi. They own this place, right? Oh, okay. I'm a Pepsi dedicated, but this is the first time I've ever been here. This is awesome. Well, the guy says if you come down here, there's a ventilation shaft going up, and you can see how thick it is. So we're gonna check this out. There's the building side, built right into the thing. This is kind of crazy. Look at this. Imagine trying to figure out those angles as you're cutting up. That's like a nightmare. See what he's talking about. There's a ventilation shaft right there. See it right there? don't know if you can see it, but I can actually see my breath. It's so cold down here. It's like 100 degrees above ground, but below ground I can see my breath. Alright, here's the ventilation shaft. He said if you look up you can kind of see how thick it is to the top. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to stand right in the middle of it. We're going to stand up. Anything coming down, there's a couple more dock doors there. Looks like they're doing some construction over there. I don't think I'm going to be walking over that way. There's like a hole in the wall right here. I don't know what that is. Huh. It's just a big divot. I don't know if you can see up in there now. I'll walk back around this way because I'm not walking through the mud. Is there a dry way to walk through here? Oh yeah, I guess there is. So I did get permission from these people to video, so I figured I'd walk around and take advantage of it. Since this is not something you see every day, and people that don't drive trucks have never seen this area, so unless you work here. This is like a Driving with John exclusive. You know what that is, right? See how the water is kind of chipped up and there's little chips laying on the ground? Somebody hit that with their truck. So somebody didn't have a good day that day. And you can see it like in a couple little spots where people hit the columns. There's another couple spots people hit right here. There's a deep one over there. Deep one over there. This is crazy. That truck right there came in before me, so probably pretty close to being done, so I better go check on my load. Talk to y'all later. Hope you enjoyed this tour of the underground caves. Yeah, I don't know why there's so many holes in the ceiling, but there are. They're done loading my trailer, so I gotta walk into the office and get my paperwork. Just thought I'd bring you guys with me in this crazy cave. I don't know if the camera quality is any different this way, but it's kind of cool. See what I mean? Woo. Yeah, pretty cool. Here's a good picture opportunity, see? Oh, look, I'm standing by the big cave thing. Whoa. You guys see that hole right there? There's a bunch of them up there. I'm really curious why they're up there. It worries me a little bit. I don't know why. All right, back to walking. Yeah, you gotta walk around the cave to get to the other end so that you can pick up your paperwork. So. And here I am. All right, so I went into the office and I got my paperwork. Only I didn't get my paperwork. They're gonna make me drive around this tunnel some more to have someone else check it, and then they get my paperwork and they seal my trailer, and then I get to drive out of here. So yeah, but come on, you gotta admit that's the coolest thing ever right there. At least I think it is. I don't know. Hope you guys are enjoying the video, because this is not something you see every day. Alright, here we go, everybody. We're going to go back through the tunnel to get out of here. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. It's been really cool to see all this kind of stuff. Didn't know anything like this even existed. Now I just gotta follow the exit sign to figure out how to get out of here. And not hit a wall. The exit signs, I'm going the right way. Man, this is definitely the coolest thing I've ever seen in driving a truck. I mean, I don't like tunnels, but this is so unique that it's really cool. See it up ahead. They're actually working on the ceiling. Does that make me nervous? A little bit. When I went by earlier, they were sweeping up a bunch of rock pieces that fell. So apparently there's some kind of maintenance they do where they, lots of pieces of rock fall. Actually, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but I can see it. If you look off to the left-hand side of what I'm coming up to, where the sign says slow, you can see all those little rocks all over the ground. That's from them working on the roof there. I'm not sure what they're doing, but it's kind of scary. Exit is this way, so we're going to take a left here. Must be a different way out than it was in, because it was a lot longer getting in here than it was getting out. Ah, that's the way I came in over there. So you're right. So this is all new right here. I see a bunch of light up there, so is that the outside or is that just a caved in roof? it being a caved-in roof, it looks like it is. Looks like I'm going in that little narrow thing right there. Wow, that's crazy. There's that big old hole right there above my head. Wow, that thing's easily 20 feet deep before it even gets to the open space. So that was a hole in the ceiling of the cave. That makes me feel much better about the cave. You heard of cave diving? I do cave driving. I don't know if you can tell, but I think this is awesome. It's the coolest thing I think I've ever seen. Driving a truck or not driving a truck. I don't know. It's definitely right up there. I don't know how I get out of here. I don't think it's that little sliver of light in front of me. Follow the exit signs. Pretty sure it's not that little sliver of light. Oh, off to the left. Big door we need to go through. Oh, that's the indoor. Oh wow, I am going out that little sliver of light. Alright, let's make sure I have to go nice and wide so I make sure my trailer gets out the door. It's kind of strange, the door that had me going out is also the same door that the train goes in and out of. So I'm driving on the tracks going out the door. Crazy exit. I gotta go out the same way the train does it, apparently. How do I get out of here now? That's the next question. Wasn't that awesome? Oh man, I'm telling you what, this is the coolest thing I've ever done. Driving a truck. You know, as a truck driver, you drive by the Grand Canyon, but you don't really get to see it. You drive by, you know, all these great sightseeing places, but you can't really go see them because there's no truck parking. But this is one of those rare cases where truckers get to see something that the general public does not. And this was awesome. And I did have permission from the company. I asked if I could shoot a video while I was in their cave, and they said yes. So y'all get to see it too. Woohoo! So hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't done it already, go over there, hit the subscribe button, go over there, slam that like button, slam it. Ah. All right, I love doing it. I don't know why. It's just so funny. It's probably more to amuse me than it is you. I'm sorry, but I appreciate everybody watching, and I'm just in awe of this place. This place is humongous, and you could get lost down here for days, and I'm not joking, days. It's that big. So hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more crazy content like this, or me talking about all kinds of crazy stuff, then make sure you do subscribe. All right, to all my trucking buddies out there, keep those tires turning, stay right side up, keep making the money. To all the non-driving subscribers and friends out there that are watching, I appreciate you watching, and just make sure that you stay safe, you know, follow all the CDC guidelines, and most of all, just, you know, make sure you're safe. All right, and take it easy, everybody, and don't forget, I'll see you next time.